day of memory and sorrow of all the deportees. Let's not cry, let's not break, and let's not forget. Today there are international legal grounds for representatives of deported people to defend their right to justice. The resolution adopted by the European Parliament on February 26, 2004 states that the deportation of the entire Chechen and Ingush people to Central Asia on February 23, 1944 on the orders of Stalin constitutes an act of genocide in accordance with the Fourth Hague Convention of 1907 and the Convention of the Prevention and Suppression of the Crime of Genocide, adopted by the UN General Assembly 9th of December 1948. Remembering the 1944 deportation Chechnya's Holocaust. Even though many decades have passed, the Second World War is still an unanswered question for the Chechen people, and this historical burden inevitably impacts the continuing development of Chechen society today. Though the current Russian government is eager to empathize recent peaceful developments, the image of the Chechen as the enemy, originally created by the communists, is alive and well within the country today. Historians, politicians, and journalists have created thousands of works that are filled with deliberate lies that portray the Chechens as a people, and the entirety of Chechen history is a truly terrible light. February 23rd is one of the most tragic dates in the history of the Chechens and the Ingush, until the Russo-Chechen War of 1994. The Chechens were a small ethnic group relatively unknown to the rest of the world, living in northern foothills of the Caucasus, one of the most remote corners of Europe. On February 23rd of 1944, the Chechens were exiled from their ancestral lands and deported to Siberia and the northern regions of Kazakhstan. The entirety of the Chechen nation was accused of collaborating with the fascists, even though unknown to Russians and Europeans alike. The Chechens only knew about the fascists from the movie screen and the wartime news reports. The front lines of the German advance stopped in Mozdok in northern Ossetia, never reaching Chechnya. Therefore, the Chechens not only were unable to collaborate with the Germans, but also never truly saw any of them.